Sugar Plums. This is Evelyn from Planning Day Eve, and we're unboxing ASMR style. Stay tuned. I'm just kidding. Now let's start off with the sticker books that I got. There will be flip throughs of all of these items on my channel, and I'll put them in a playlist for you. I was gifted the one accessory book and this one sticker pad, both being Faith. And while I'm here, let me just say thanks, Happy Planner, for all these items. It's just so great to see these lines come out. So now we're going to do filler paper. That's in Classic, Mini, and the Mini half sheet. These are accessories, the Faith calendar, and Faith washi tape. Next up are going to be the planners I received. This is the Classic Faith Planner Undated and the Mini Undated Faith Planner. Then the Happy Notes Classic size, which is 60 sheets, and 60 sheets of Happy Notes Mini. Next up, we have the Faith Planner Companion Accessory and the Digital Detox Planner Companion Accessory. Now this is a calendar extension pack, which is for 12 months. Thanks guys so much for watching. That's my squad box. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which items you're thinking about getting, and check out the playlist as it uploads to look at these items a little bit closer. Until next time, enjoy your planning time as littles enjoy Christmas Eve. Bye!